Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Investing in stock is exciting, but when the tax season rolls around, it can get a bit overwhelming. If you are new to this, don't worry, I got you covered. In this video, we will break down everything you need to know about the taxes on stocks in simple, beginners-friendly terms. Let's dive in. First, let's cover the basics. When you make money from stocks, you have to pay taxes. There's no question about it. The two main ways you owe taxes on stocks. Number one is capital gain. Number two is dividends. Don't let these terms scare you. I'll explain them step by step. Capital gains happens when you sell a stock with profit. For example, if you bought a stock for $50 and sold it for $100, that $50 profit is your capital gain. But here's where it gets interesting. How long you held the stocks determine how much you'll pay in taxes. If you held the stocks for less than a year before selling, that's called a short-term gain, and you will pay tax at your regular income tax rate. But if you held it for more than a year, it's a long-term gain, and the tax rate is usually lower, between 0%, 15%, or 20%, depending on your income. Next up, dividends. If you own certain stock, the company might share a portion of their profits with you. That is called a dividend. There are two types: qualified dividends, where the tax are the same lower rates as long-term capital gain; ordinary dividends, tax like your regular income. Make sure you know which types you are receiving. Now here are some key tax tips for the stock investors. Number one, keep track of your trades. Most brokers provide a 1099-B form summarizing your activity, but it is good to double check. Number two, don't forget about the wash sale. If you sell a stock at a loss and buy it back within 30 days, the IRS won't let you claim that losses on your taxes. And number three, tax advantaged accounts are your friend. If you invest through the accounts like Roth IRA, your investment can grow tax-free. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on personal finance and investing. And if you have any question, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will respond to you very promptly. Thank you for watching. Stay happy, healthy, and wealthy.